ngono tapa silinga o wa fi tapa ia mo mal tawe wa fio o mal liu mai ina nei tai au kuanga lua lea tau to ia i langa tonu pa ia sa wao mo malu Samoa o tukutu o le waa o maea o na whaatu te pai langi o ia e mai le wawau e o i le whawau o te whaatu lau fo i ere le saa tu o le pea mo vai tamutu ia fio ele tuku fia ia whawina a fio sori i utamapa te nane le sa whainga atua o upu ia te oe whaleata marangafa tulong na lava mo tongo le lei le maramba e pei o le whitaringa ia pai a tea o pai a lala wā le wha moe moe o tongo o le la au mea o le soifua o le tatalaina o le tuina alo ia mai o le maota mo a onga o le mtanga ruenga o leo leo wharpui ma le toe fuataina o se ngā ruenga tele o anga le lei mai ai le mālo senga lea o mafu ai le so ai wo tula yatu failo leo mo fonga tau mo le mori o le fionga le ministar o leo leo wharpui ma le toe fuataina ia fionga ia whawalo Harry Schuster o te whawheloa ia tuai lo utopa ia mo lo utopa manu Susu lau sunga tai tai o sauninga, lau sunga Reverend Kapta la tu la tai, a fio lau fionga ta mai tai pāle mia, lau fionga sa whapito, lau fionga fia me na omi ta afa, a fio ministar o kabineta, a fio lau fionga i le fonga fitarai na sui no marmo le pāle mene, a fio lau fionga i whamusinusina, Fio o fionga na mpasa o malo saina i Samoa, Your Excellency Mr. Fei Pingsing. A fio sui o malo mai fafu. A fio o tau whaururunga o tanga ruenga o purana tunga oti e malo. Whaururunga o pisinisi tunga oti. Ai mai se pa anga tō tino o tanga ruenga me Australia, New Zealand, mane larolangi a tō. Le pa ia mana malo le avalau ia. Ua wha poto mai le nei asu tā lofa lava. I am honored as the Commissioner of Police, Prisons and Correction Services to speak on behalf of the Minister of Police, Prisons and Correctional Services, Afionga Fawalo Harry Schuster, to welcome you all to the official handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Training Academy. Reverend Latu Latai, Honorable Prime Minister of Samoa, Fionga Fiame Naomi Ta'afa, Speaker of the House, Government Ministers and Parliament members, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Head of Government Ministries and Public Bodies, partners and all our distinguished guests who are gathered here today to witness this momentous occasion. Greetings and welcome to you all. Ore nei tūla, o te wala au whaalolo tuai lau sunga te tai o sauninga, lau sunga Dr. La Tula Tai, o le te tai no le tātou sauninga lotu. As usual, I now call upon Reverend La Tula Tai to lead us with our opening services. Lau sunga whawhiangai. tusi o nei aso e tu sai mai whaasinonga ni tusi whaitau aso. Ia nese rona mta ua sifuru mene lua. Alona whai upu mua mene lua. Au tu whaitau ina. E talai mai le ia a Peramu. Ia tu ua e oe o lo nuu. Ma tangata o lo nuu. Ma a ingo lo tama. Ai anu atu i se nuu o te whaasino atu ai a te oe. O te whaia oe manu tele. O te whamanuia fohi a te oe. O te matua whamanuina lo ingoa. E manuia fohi oe. Mana tua utua nei aso e tu sai man whaasinonga ni tu whaitau aso. O whai malanga a Peramu o nana. Abraham set out for Canaan. Al manatu au au nei vai aso. Whai malanga. Travel. Tusi o Kenese. Tusi o Amatana. The book of Genesis is the book of beginnings. Amatanga o Leola. O Leo le Fofona. Me na whaia le tua. I lona mante sao. Au le tusi foi o Kenese. O le tusi le Amatanga o le whai ngā malanga le tangata ma le tua. Le malanga na amata le anga. Ina waka o le tangata i le amasama. Mai lawe le Kenese se i o i le whaalinga. Tala i le whai ngā malanga le. Whai ngā malanga le tangata ma le tua. Le tangata e whapamuha. Ma le tua whamaoni. Le tua alofa. Le tua e tua anoa. Upu sa au whaitau ina le. Whetaleina le tua. Tai ai e malanga a Peramu. Whetalai le tua. Ia tua o lona ai. O na tangata. Ai alu le nuu na te whaai loa ia te i. Le a whaatuina ai se nuu tele. Whaatuina ai se nuu manuia. Whetalaina le tua. O le whaatonuma. Ma le wholofalanga. A commandment and a promise. Whaatonunga e alu. O le wholofalanga e tau nuu le manuia. Malanga a Peramu i kanana. O le tainga foi lea. Malanga le tangata ma le atua. O le tainga foi lea. O le malanga le atunuu nei. Le malanga a Samoa. Nā fuko mai o tātou tua a. Whai langi na lātou whanau. O le malanga e taitaina. I le whaatununga ma le wholofalanga. Commandment and a promise. A commandment to go and the promise of a great nation. O le manu o le maro. Le manu ai le malanga lea. Le malanga a Samoa. O le whare le nei. Le whare leia. Whaar pina i nai. Nā au tō au nanga. O tele lui. O le tātou malanga. Ua matau tia. Whasioti ngā. Whasioti ngā tangata. Ua matau tia. E alu o whara au whaasaina. Ua onga. Sa wanga i te tonu o hainga. And so here we are. At a critical moment. Taimi tā ua. O le tātou malanga. O le whiau. O le nei aso ma le nei whaamoe. Tātou nānu e whatas. Tātou malanga whatas. Tātou mānatua e whaatonunga ma le wholofalanga. Let us remember the commandment and the promise. Le wholofalanga o se mālo manuia. Se mālo e vi ai le atua. Ia pa ia le nei whare. Ia pa ia lona anu whare. Whetalai mai le ia a Peramu. Ia tu ua e oe o lo nuu. A tangata o lo nuu. Ma le a ingo o lo tamā. E alu atu se nuu o te whaasino atu ai a te oe. O
whaia oe na tele. O te whamanuia fōi ia te oe. O te matua whamamaruina lo ingoa. E manuia fōi oe. Ono Iesu. Ia tātou ni wha au ni te tāna. Tātou wifo ni te tāna. Le tua se siri e se. Le tua mamaru o pa ia la papiu. Le tua malo mātunu. Lanu o na ngana. Le tua le lofa. Le tua le sa'utonga ma while mo. O le tua malanga. E te malanga whaatasi ma le tangata. Mato iai le nei tūlau. Tala alo ia o le nei no fua. Mato le mona le ngana whaafatai le nei whaamoe moe. Whaafatai tangata anu. O le malo saina na mato whausia mo fuina. Whapuhia. Whamanuia. Ia ngā mo le antina e ina o le nei vai na tāua. O sio mato malo. Whamanuia le nei tāna wena. Le ngā tāpako le malo. Ningi mai o manuia e lungo sio mato o tunu o Samoa. Ningi mai lo ngā manuia i o mato o taitaki. Le au mamaku le malo. Sui o le fono sui tō fia. Tāu sia le tamai taipāne mia. Mani malo. Whangangana ina taitaki o e kāle sia i lofina. E whāoa ina. Whātamau ainga ina bea tangata anu uma o si o mātou o tunu. Whātumau ina lo mamalu. Lunga le nei atu nuhu o Samoa na e maniwa ai no mātou whaoa. E o mātou mananga bea mfōlau bea manahu pia. Ono Iesu o mātou tutalo atu e nei. Amen.
Muri atu le whaatai tere lau sunga te tai o Sauninga. Usai martau sanga mōria o le whaama koe o le asu. Whaatai mo le upu o atomu tau o se upu fo I whala eiga. E mana tua I pēr whaama koe o le tai au. Matou te talo, e sanga utu upu ina fulo le sila ula. Laua lau launga mo I maua ni anganga stili. Tau wāre atua o lona whilanalo. E whamanuia le atua I tō whinga o wala o ina ai lau su. A wāre atua o lana ngāruenga. Thank you very much, Reverend, for leading us today with our service. May the good Lord continue to bless you with the strength of body, mind and spirit as you continue preaching His word. O le nei tūrā, te wala o tuai mai ang whaararu ang pasal maro seno, His Excellency, Mr. Faye Musi, and now call upon you for your opening remarks, Your Excellency.
Honorable Prime Minister Fayame Oambi Matafa, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Tuala Homi Fasil, Honorable Minister Paola Harry Schuster, Cabinet Ministers, Honorable Speaker Papali Leo Masipa, Honorable Leader of Opposition to Ipa Sailele Manialegoy, Members of the Parliament, colleagues of diplomatic corps, ladies and gentlemen, fellow police officers, friends, Talofalawa, 大家下午好. I'm fully delighted to join you today at the official handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Academy, a gift of the Chinese government and people to the Samoan government and people. On behalf of the Chinese government, I would like to begin by applauding the perseverance and efforts of all involved despite the negative impacts from various factors since the implementation agreement was signed in 2018. I wish to extend my sincere gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister Fiame and the Samoan government for your close cooperation with the plan. I'm deeply grateful to the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Correction Services for your valued engagement and for support. And I commend the contractor Shanxi Construction, as well as managers, workers, subcontractors, and project supervisors for your dedication to and tremendous efforts in the project. Ladies and gentlemen, this project builds a new landmark for the long-standing friendship between China and Samoa. Our people-to-people relations dates back to about 150 years ago. Since our diplomatic ties in 1975, we have jointly implemented more than 20 infrastructure projects in Samoa. Thousands of Samoa officials and professionals have attended training sessions in China. Chinese agriculture experts and local farmers have been working hand in hand tirelessly in the field towards the sustainable and resilient agriculture defined in the path for the development of Samoa PDS. Doctors from both countries have fostered a strong partnership and have jointly treated more than 10,000 patients here in Samoa. On the occasion of the 50th anniversary of our diplomatic ties in 2025, we are working with the Samoa government and friends to elevate our relations to a new height. This project also marks a significant milestone for China-Samoa bilateral law enforcement cooperation. It comprises a teaching building, a dining hall, equipment rooms, and operational training venue, a roofed sports field, an accommodation building, and watching stands, as well as auxiliary facilities such as a running track and the driver training board, which we are going to see later. The Academy will be a valuable asset for Samoa police forces to bolster its capacity and better serve the Samoan people. I still remember that those young faces shining with passion at the graduation ceremony for new recruits in June. I hope to see more young cadets achieving success with opportunities provided by this academy. I'm also looking forward to the official handover and installation of the fingerprint laboratory soon. Lab equipment along with this academy will surely make a big difference in building a stronger police force of the Samoan people. Meanwhile, I encourage the Academy to take full advantage of its close cooperation with its Chinese counterpart. In particular, the China Pacific Islands countries police training center based in China's Fujian province. I'm very glad that Mr. Yu Ye, head of the training center, is also attending the ceremony today with us. Ladies and gentlemen, transformation not seen a century is accelerating across the globe. China, Samoa, and all other countries are confronted with multiple risks and challenges like never before. Against this background, Chinese President Xi Jinping has put forward the Global Development Initiative, GDI, the Global Security Initiative, GSI, and the Global Civilization Initiative, GCI. As a global community, mankind cannot be separated, and each country must prioritize its essential needs for development, security, and diversity among communities, regardless of the national or international channels. The most developing countries are members of the Global South. China, Samoa have good reasons to work harder and closer with each other, to synergize our national priorities toward a closer community of a shared future. And the Samoan saying goes this: Ole tele, o suru, e maua, aifigota. Through collaboration, the most difficult challenges can be overcome. In closing, I extend my best wishes to the people of Samoa and conclude with full confidence that this academy will be an enduring symbol of Samoa and China friendship and play a significant role for the regional security and development. Papitai Kedalama. Thank you very much. 谢谢。
Please, let's all give another hand for applause for His Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for the wonderful remarks. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to have you present here today on behalf of the government and the People's Republic of China to conduct your official handover of the Samoa Police Training Academy. Thank you once again. Nei tula, se wala ua tuai ma le ngā whāroalo i lau whiau ma rata mai tai pāria, lau whiau na sa whāpito, whiau whiau mena amu ta o lau Samoa lau tu. E lau moro kō te Honourable Prime Minister, o e Dino Chris.
Excellency, Ambassador of China, Mr. Wei Beijing, members of the diplomatic corps, ladies and gentlemen. Ole sabi no tsala ko iya yo ni ka sa pati ko ina la su ko su limo tūranga e peo whatua ia i whanga sorongo le nei atina. E ave ai ni whamaro ia i lato uma sa ngā pātia le nina te. Ua mafu ai o ni tātou tonu mai le nei aso e peo le e sa wina. Whailonga i ngai le tuina aroa i ato le ni fuanga i tana ni no le leo. Whatu i koe au toi whatai. I nei lau taimi a bea ia au le whai sui. Le mai o Samoa, o le tangatanu. Whaafitai ai le mai o Saina. O le whaatau nuino le ni whaamanu e Samoa e whaiti ai. O le whausia lea o se lofuanga i te tonu o Samoa. O le awa wina o tu mai mana waa whakatoa. O wale whaamanu si o tu rafi. Nai tu salo ni tawa a whai o le tosu tolu milioni. E mwole whaafitai le di kule ya Mr. Wang Hai, mai company a Shanti Construction Engineering Group. O le ngā ruenga mai a e ama maua luma ma le lei whaatingaina. E mwole foi le whaamaro man whaafitai i company a Shanghai Architecture Engineering Group. Limited. Ia o lato foi sao. I le tusina wata. Ma le fufuina o le ngāna. E whamawina le ngāna whaafitai. Sao, tā ngā renga le maro officer. Sa ngā rua whaatasina, tā ngā renga o leo whaafitai. Ina ia pwai ai ana whaafitai. O le whamawai ina ia whaawakea whaatupa ia. Whamawia o maro e kua e ata i whina whaanga. O le ave foi le nei a unga mino fuanga i turina atu ai le ava noa. O tukulanga uma o Samoa le au whare atu i ai. E sairi ai o lato lumanahi ala i tu mai tau i whaamaro si i o le amatua o ngā telefoi le nei a unga po i lato o lo whaatinina. Au au nanga tau leo leo ma whakupipui. O loo manamuia le whaaleia. Presitia o tu mai ma awa unga. I le tutau tu lafono ma le tausia o le whiwhiri. O le aso. Le a tātou pasi ai mo moina tūkanga o mai a whausia o le nei no fuanga. Le au fi ai o tu mwhisa o tu aonga i fuanga o tau whitanga. Ma potu mo le te uina o mea whenā ruenga. O le whale whaapitoa mo tāronga. Potu mo apitanga. Potu mo leo leonga no fuanga mo tāwale. No fuanga mo aonga tau ape tāwale. Ma le tele o nisi o vae mo le a tātou vaia. E se teimi e o tui Afrika. E tali tōni mo le a mori mawina si tia ma o luma le tumaimare. Ma lo se o le i te pata e leo leo. I le whatinoina o rātou tinte wha leo leo. E ala i le whaongāti tau. O le nei no fuanga ma mea whenā leo. Ua amata patoto. Ia ia whamanga mai e le tua. Tāru Lama, good afternoon, and welcome to the handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Academy. It is indeed my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this official handover ceremony of the Samoa Police Academy. Today marks another milestone in our development cooperation with the government of the Republic of China. And I'm very was signed on the 26th of September 2018. The project was scheduled to commence by the 30th of April in 2020. However, the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic saw the project put on hold. The groundbreaking ceremony on the 25th of October 2022 marked the commencement of this project, which was completed on the 30th of June this year. Despite the delays, we applaud the perseverance and patience of everyone involved as we are gathered here today to celebrate the handover of this project to the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Corrections. On behalf of the government of the people of Samoa, I thank the government of the People's Republic of China for making this dream a reality. The first law enforcement training center built in Samoa. We congratulate Mr. Wang Hai and the Shanti Construction Engineering Group for all the preparation works so far done extremely well. In addition, we also thank Shanghai Architecture Engineering Company Limited for the design work for the project. We also acknowledge the assistance of the government ministries and all agencies who have cooperated willingly with the Ministry of Police, Prisons and Corrections to enable the completion of this project. This academy will be a place of opportunities for all the youth of Samoa who will enter its gates to seek a future in law enforcement and application of the rule of law. The Police Academy project is critical for upskilling and training the police force in all aspects of law and order and peace building. I am told that following these formalities, there will be a tour of the premises consisting of an administrative building, classrooms, dining, and equipment, roof, sports field, accommodation building, guard room, garage and shed, defensive driving training grounds, and more. The Jogum budget is providing for all furnishings. I look forward to seeing a more skilled, professional and fit of officers on the field and putting these facilities and equipment to good use. In conclusion, on behalf of the government of the people of Samoa, I am honored to officially receive with sincere gratitude the Samoa Police Academy from the government of the People's Republic of China. So if you will,
Please, another round of applause. Lewa, whaiful nā loa runa taunga mutia, sa noanga matangu fia lo fiona tamatai pāria. Wa e sang fui, tau tina mausina, tia maurunga. O taringa fia longo rea fia nei, o nino fui le matar vai i ungo hoti o nei whakongui. Mātou te talo, taringa ia whaafuru mai pēri ngā, e tō whā, o whionga te matai pāria. Thank you very much, Honourable Prime Minister, for gracing today's gathering with your presence and the keynote address of Te Tere Lau Whionga. O leo tātou tonu mai le vaenga tāua, o le ungo o tātou whamoemoe le so. O le ina leo le lipine, e Pacific. O le tātou ina leo le hi, o le nei mauta. Wala aua tuai, wala whaaro i lau whionga le tamaitai pārmia. Lea lea pasa o le maro seina. Lea mōre whaatino ina o lea tukanga. te wala watu para whaololo I Minsta Samoa para whiunga le whangwhtalai masu I whangwhtalai. Pe whaiuta ua whiunga I manei o le ati wala. Wala watu fo ila ufiunga le taitai o le tuangai le ufiunga tu lepa pe whai o le fiumai ufiunga le alo mani toa se I ue to wata mani manu kapineta
Koe oki marlipingi.
Ini aku baik.
Mo le tulanga whaftai la ufiunga manu malu kapineta o leo le a matalia le tatou tua wala watu le project manager pe whaunga su mai e whatino le tatou whamui mui.
We'll start from that side. That side there is a glass room. Now we'll go into the second building, and the second building is where is the operational building.
We're still hoping you're going to sign empowering Pascola.
We're tired of signing up to things with no money in it to do anything.
It's
We signed up to the 10 point plan and the money is doing so
Okay, for the first floor, there are two classrooms on the top for the first floor and 4 offices for up there contained of 2 classrooms that fits more than 30 students in a room. They also have 4 offices for inspectors. Okay, we'll move on to the second building. The second building is operational building, and this is for operational for police.
All you need, like you have 2 sunlight.
For tactical. Maybe tactical training. We can scan.
We'll have the training for operation. Train of basketball court. Yeah, but just for weightlifting.
64 rooms, they're all the same design. We can visit inside now. Another room So all 64 rooms are the same design and scale up for people inside. All 64 rooms are the same design. Okay, now we'll go up to the stadium. What's the stadium? Please follow me. We go upstairs where the stadium is, and we'll have a look at the stadium. This is for project. Yes, that's commission. Inside there's a full field inside. So if you go upstairs, you can see the defensive track from the top there. There is a garage for defensive office, private.